We had a pretty bad trauma come in, and it was a pediatric trauma. It was a car accident, and unfortunately it was out in Chandler. And so the paramedics took the mother to some other hospital in Chandler or Mesa out in the East Valley there. But they brought the children to us because we're the pediatric emergency department. And so when they brought the children in here, the father was torn. He was not involved in the accident. He was just notified. He came here and he didn't know where to go. Here, the East Valley, he chose to come to here to be with his children. And he said, is there anybody that has a charger? My cell phone's about to go dead and I want to find out how my wife is doing at the other facility. Unfortunately, it was a unique kind of a phone in those days, and we didn't have, and nobody in the department had a charger for him. None of us did. And I felt so bad for him. Here he's a father, being a father myself, you want to find out how your wife is doing. He's here taking care of his children, and basically his cell phone went dead, and he had no mechanisms to get a hold of his wife to find out how she was doing, whether she was going to survive or not survive. And it just kind of tugged on my heart, and I just felt like we needed to have some kind of a charging station. So I've heard of them and I'd seen them, so we got in touch with the foundation, and they were more than gracious to help fund our first charging station.
We contacted the foundation and they quickly saw the benefits of having these chargers in the emergency department, and then grew to throughout the hospital. But they were very supportive and very willing to work with us. So we're not just here to solve your medical problems or to help fix what's broken. We also want to take care of you emotionally and make sure that you have what you need to heal. So it's important for you as a patient and as a family member to be able to stay in touch with your loved ones. And in order to do that, we all rely on our cell phones.
The charging station was put in by the Maricopa Health Foundation, and it's wonderful because how many times in an emergency do you come in and your phone's out of battery, or who's going to remember to bring their cables? And the parents absolutely love it because they're able to charge their phones and notify the other family members.
It keeps that family member close to their loved one. You know, they heard their patient family member's voice, and that calmed them down. And those types of events really, it helps with the healing process, and that means a lot to the patients. Currently we have 10 of them, and we are purchasing 20 more with the help of the Maricopa Health Foundation. It's been that successful.